This is the flag of Finland. This is the map of Finland. Finland, officially the Republic of Finland, is a Nordic country in Northern Europe. It borders Sweden to the northwest, Norway to the north, and Russia to the east, with the Gulf of Bothnia to the west and Gulf of Finland to the south. Helsinki is the capital and the largest city. I have come from Sweden to Helsinki now. This is my trip to Lapland. In this video, I'll show you my walking tour of Helsinki city covering the main touristic spots. From Kolkata, I reached Stockholm, which is the capital of Sweden, and this is Arlanda Airport. From here, I'll go to Helsinki, which is the capital of Finland. Our group will stay in Stockholm now, but I will proceed alone for Helsinki. আমি এখন হেলসিঙ্কি এয়ারপোর্ট রেলওয়ে স্টেশনে দাঁড়িয়ে আছি মেট্রো ট্রেন আসছে This is my train which goes from Helsinki airport to Helsinki Central Station. Helsinki is the capital and the most populous city in Finland. It is on the shore of Gulf of Finland and it is the most significant center for politics, education, finance, culture and research. এখন স্টেশন আসছে কিবিস্তো This is Kibisko railway station on our way. Finally reached Helsinki railway station. Helsinki Central Station is the main station for commuter, rail and long distance trains departing from Helsinki. It is internationally famous and is architecturally and technically innovative and one of the most important monuments and landmarks of the Helsinki city center. এখন বাজে রাত 10টা আমি এখন হেলসিঙ্কি মেইন সেন্ট্রাল স্টেশনের সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে আমি ওখানে দেখছি টেম্পারেচার -2 ডিগ্রি সেন্টিগ্রেড -2 আর এখন রাত 10টা বাজে এটা সেন্ট্রাল রেলওয়ে স্টেশনের স্কোয়ার আমাকে এখন হেঁটে আমার হোটেলে যেতে হবে The hotel is approximately 1 kilometer from here. The height of the clock tower measured around 48.5 meters. Clock tower has clocks in all 4 cardinal directions. The tower is built of walled brick. Here I can see ice skating area. Just look how the snow is piled up here. I walked up to my hotel along the road beside that casino. বেরিয়ে পড়েছি এখন বাজে সকাল 7:10 মর্নিং ওয়াকে বেরিয়েছি আলো এখনো ফোটেনি রেল স্টেশনের সামনেই আমার হোটেল এই স্টেশনের স্কোয়ার এটা This is the casino of Helsinki, which I showed you yesterday night. Helsinki is around 80 kilometers north of Tallinn and 220 miles north of Riga, which is in Latvia, and 400 kilometers from Stockholm. Helsinki has significant historical connections with all these cities. Temperature is now about -5 degrees centigrade. Chilling wind is blowing, making the temperature feel around -10 degrees centigrade. It's freezing cold. You can see here the ice skating classes are held here. This is the facade of Helsinki Central Railway Station. It's beautifully illuminated. Christmas has just passed. The railway station building is one of the best known works of Finnish architecture. The station was completed in 1914. হাত জমে যাচ্ছে একদম। ক্যামেরায় ছবি তুলতে গেলে গ্লাভস খুলে ওঠাতে হচ্ছে। This is Helsinki main post office. Morning is drawing near. The leaves of the trees are already gone. After morning walk, I returned to my hotel. This is Hotel Arthur, where I will stay here for 2 nights. After breakfast, I started again for rest of my Helsinki tour. First, I'll go to Suomenlinna Island by ferry, which you will see in my next video. This is the most touristic spot of Helsinki. This is Helsinki Cathedral. Helsinki Cathedral is the French Lutheran cathedral. This cathedral was originally built in 1830 to 1852 as a tribute to the Grand Duke of Finland, Emperor Nicholas I of Russia. It was also known as St. Nicholas Church until Finland declared its full independence in 1917. It is a major landmark of the city and one of the most famous historical structures in Finland. It has a green dome surrounded by 4 smaller domes, and the building is a neoclassical style. The area is called Senate Square. The opening sequence of the music video for Sandstorm by Darude was filmed here in Senate Square, where you can see the cathedral in the background. This is Government Palace in Senate Square. This is the statue of Alexander II. The bronze statue consists of the figure of Alexander II and 4 allegorical figures at the base of the sculpture, representing law, work, peace, and light. The pedestal has a total of 8 human and animal figures. The figure of Alexander II stands on the top of the red granite pedestal and is depicted in the uniform of an officer of Finnish Guards Rifle Battalion. This is a no drone zone. Here I can see a museum. Typical scene of the trees in winter. পাতা ঝরে গেছে, আগামী বসন্তে আবার ভরে উঠবে। I am now walking towards the boat station to catch the ferry for Suomenlinna Island. In front I can see the Uspensky Cathedral, which is also again a beautiful cathedral. The water you can see is the Gulf of Finland. This is the Presidential Palace of Helsinki. Flag of Finland is flying high on the top. This is the other side of Uspensky Cathedral. These are all souvenir shops along the boat harbor. From here, the Esplanade Park starts and I'll walk along the park, which is a very important touristic area of Helsinki. Esplanade is an esplanade, an urban park in downtown Helsinki. It is situated between Irotaza Square and the Market Square. The eastern end of the park houses the Kapeli restaurant, which opened in 1867. In front of the restaurant, there is an outdoor stage which hosts numerous live musical performances. Esplanade. Esplanade is well known as a popular walking area, and street performances are also often held here in this park. This is the departure point of Helsinki city tour buses. This is the statue of Johann Ludwig Runebergin. These are all university students enjoying themselves. And this is the stock exchange of Helsinki. And this is Sevenska Theatre. You can see the beautiful trams. Now I have come to a tram stop and waiting to catch tram number 3, which will take me to the different parts of Helsinki city. The board here displays the status of each trams. First, I am going to see the Helsinki Olympic Stadium. While on way to Olympic Stadium, I got down at a place where many boys and girls were practicing ice skating. Ice skating in Finland is a nationwide phenomenon during the winter months. From kids in their first years of school to professional figure skaters and ice hockey players, people all over Finland love to be out on the ice. Skating is completely free of charge on all 9 artificial ice rinks and other fields of the city. At Olympic Stadium, Helsinki hosted the 1952 Summer Olympics. দূর থেকে এই ছবিটা তুলছি, একটু এগিয়ে যাই। I have reached the Olympic Stadium area. I cannot go nearer because it is under renovation. This is an adjacent football stadium. After seeing the Olympic Stadium, I reached the Helsinki port area. So after seeing the port area in the late evening hours, I returned to my hotel. In my next video, see my tour to Suomenlinna Island in Helsinki. After seeing my videos, please do like, share and comment, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel.